In this video, we're going to take a tour of a fantastic and beautiful southwestern home located in Sahuarita, Arizona, and you can truly experience what it feels like to live in the great area of Tucson. And as we walk up to the property here, just to give you the base stats on this one, this home is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,184 square foot home, built in 1993. And again, this is a southwestern style home. They call it a Santa Fe style, the type of building. But yeah, we're gonna go take a look, and it sits on 1.2 acres. So a nice big parcel here. And then there's the garage as we come in. Let's go ahead and take a tour. Now, if you haven't already done so, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos. And they have a lot of really great artwork and decorative stuff, like these gates you can see there. Again, this is a beautiful home, well maintained and landscaped desert yard here. The nice little courtyard area here in flagstone as you walk into the home. Nice sitting porch here, producing a great amount of shade. This is the north face of the building, and you got a nice custom security door here, all metal. And a solid wood door here. It's nice and tall as we walk inside. It opens up into a nice open floor plan, and very classic of the Southwest style here is open wood beams, saltile tile, and this saltile tile is like brand new. So super cool as we enter the main room here. And when we turn to the left, it does have, like I said, very high ceilings, and those are about that 9 or 10 feet in the hallway there. Again, they run the saltile tile through most of the house. This is the first bedroom here, very spacious. For 2,184 square foot, you have a lot of nice open room here. Lots of natural light in here as well. This opens up to the front. You can see out. That's your view out your window. But very cool bedroom number 1, and then back into the main, and then back down the hall. You got a closet here. Then bathroom is just to the left. This is like the guest bathroom. And I'll put my head in here real quick, but the second bedroom is right there, which we'll get to in a sec. Yeah, nice stone countertops there. Great vanity, shower tub. Again, very Southwest motif here, which is awesome. This room has been designed as more of like an office or entertainment center, but it is an actual second bedroom. Your closets over there. So super cool room there. And as we back out, we'll head back, and then if you look to the right, that heads back into the kitchen and everything else, into the main room here, the great room. And then if we go straight ahead, we come into what we call the primary suite. And it's a large bedroom here. Again, high ceilings, lots of space, and lots of open natural light, which is super cool. Now that door leads into like the Arizona room. And here's the bath. It's a nice walk-in shower there. Nice ceilings, tile. Again, they did stone on the counters here. So I'm trying to get my head out of the shot. You got double mirrors there. And then a nice, good sized walk-in closet. Very well organized. Toilet area. Super cool sized room here. Out back there. Get out there in a sec. So as we head back in to the main room here, I want you to note that this wood on these doors here, I'm going to close it just so you can see the other side. Those are saguaro ribs, which is super awesome. Very appropriate for this style home. Very hard to come by. So this is like, again, the main area, and then they have, dive into the kitchen here, right off the main room. Again, lots of natural light, very open, saltillo tile, great cabinetry, and lots of room in this kitchen. 2 or 3 people could easily, get over there and do stuff. This room here is the laundry right off the kitchen. And you got your washer dryer and everything in here. Lots of space. And then the garage, I'm just going to briefly poke my head in there. These guys are in the process of moving, but it's a nice sized 2-car garage. And back out of there. Let's take another look at the kitchen here. You can see out there, we got like a nice window here right through the kitchen. It goes out to that Arizona room, which is, we'll walk in there next. Nice archway right here. And then that door goes back into the master, and that's your view out your window here. Just amazing. Panoramic mountain views out back. There's that. So let's go out back, speaking of that, because like I said, we do have 1.2 acres here, and they have a nice pergola. It's all brand new, metal, and covered patio porch. It runs the whole length of the house. Super cool there. And of course they have a nice, looks like a cinder block with stucco wall. One other thing I didn't note on this property, the construction of this is actually adobe. So highly popular adobe here. Does really good for heating and cooling. And then these are your views out back. So if you have any questions on this, oh, sorry, one thing before we get to that. The barbecue. You can't have a nice back patio here in Tucson without a nice barbecue. So when the weather's great, which it usually is, you can sit out here and grill, and it's covered. Hang out, and then wrap it back around to back out to the front by the garage. Now, if you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to me. All my contact information is in the description below, and watch this and watch some more home tour videos on our channel, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.